morning, doctor. Good morning, ma'am. These are offerings from the temple. Here, this is for you also, doctor. Doctor, if somebody asks me what, where and when, I simply get angry, doctor. I don't know why. I have no clue, doctor.
Why? What happened?
That is what I'm asking you. That is what I'm explaining for so long. How do you ask me why? Can you ask me like this? Listen, just because my parents asked me like this, I just killed them with one bash of the stone. The same case with the temple priest. He asked me why and then what. I also killed him with one bash. Then I started running from there. The cops also saw me and they started running after me. And they asked me, why are you running? Then I just took a stone and then bashed on his face. I killed him the same way. Now after doing all this, who are you to ask me? Who the hell are you to
Sir,
ask
why
me?
are you shouting here, sir? Silence, please.
Hey! Now you also started asking me, huh? Now ladies also started talking to me, huh? What do you want to know? I'm going to kill you also. With one bash of the stone, I'm going to kill you right now.
Stop! Hey, man, why are you shouting here?
Hey, who are you? Who are you? Who are you? Tell me, come on.
Stop! What did you say, doctor? You're simply screaming.
I just asked what?
Hey, can you question me like that? Why the hell did you ask me like that? Come on. Who are you?
I'm a compounder, sir.
Compounder. You are also wearing white. I am also wearing white. Whoever wears a white shirt is a compounder or what? Huh? You bloody fool. Let me do a phone call now. See, I'm going to call the cops now. Wait and see. It's ringing. Wait, it's ringing. Sir, is it police station?
Yes, it is. Tell
Sir, 3 people are going to be murdered here, sir.
Why?
Why? Who the hell are you to ask me why? You are going to be the 4th person. I'm going to kill him. Hey, I'm going to do the 4th murder and I'm going to come down. 4th murder is going to be the first one. Whatever temple I go, I'm getting angry. Now, which temple should I go to now? I don't know. Oh, God.
Hey, why are you squinting your eyes?
Hey, do I look like somebody with a squint eye or what? Am I looking like a squint eye or what?
No, I didn't ask you anything. Anything.
Then why is this bloody fella calling me a squint eye? I'm going to kill him right now. No matter whichever temple I go, I'm going to kill him. Just go and tell him I'm going to kill him very soon.
What,
Hi,
Dad?
Riya.
You really
Good
scared
morning.
me. Good morning.
Very good morning.
Yeah.
Good.
Daddy, get up.
Riya, please.
You're late again.
Just keep quiet. Riya, please.
What happened? What happened? What happened here?
No idea, sir. He just fell unconscious some time back.
You guys go away. Stand a little far.
Little away. Let them get some air.
Water, give him water.
Sir, have you seen the girl in this photo anywhere here?
No, I have not seen anyone like this.
Riya, where's your dad?
Over there.
My gas got over in house. Is it okay if I cook food here? I swear the gas got over.
I know. You will keep saying all these things and come here. That's why I have cooked for you also. Go and have that. Go. Now what?
Why don't you come along? We can sit together and have.
Hey, what?
Okay. Fine.
Eat something.
Don't talk to me.
What happened?
I told you to talk to your father and help me in getting my love.
Nothing is possible without trying, you know.
Huh? You're trying to advise me now.
Oh no, you are the one who should be doing something, right?
Hey, how many times I have told you, don't talk when you are eating. Have water. Hey, you are a grown-up girl. Can't you see there is water? You can drink it, right? Drink.
When will the doctor madam come?
How many times are you going to ask me? You ask the doctor itself now. Why are you irritating me?
Okay, sorry brother.
May I come in, sir?
Yes, come in doctor.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Take a
Thank
seat.
you.
Hello,
Hello,
doctor.
sir.
Sir is actually willing to throw a party for us. Instead of saying for us, the party is actually for you.
Why do you want to spend this much?
It is not just my daughter's life. You have saved my life as well. Please don't say no to it.
It's okay, doctor. If he's really willing, let him do it. He's doing it out of respect, doctor. It's a good chance. Because of you, all the staff in our hospital are going to enjoy.
Okay, sir.
Good morning, madam.
Good morning. Is it hurting here?
No, doctor.
Over here?
No. There's a slight pain, doctor, over there. Yeah. Doctor, it's paining down also, doctor.
Is it your knee?
Yes, doctor.
Over here?
Little more higher, doctor.
Hey, you're coming here for the last 1.5 years. You're still not okay.
What to do if madam keeps her hand, it's not paining. If she's not keeping, it's paining,
Just
doctor.
wait. I'm going to come and fix your hand now. Just wait.
Hey,
wait.
hey,
I
no,
know
no,
what to
no,
do.
no, no, doctor, don't want.
What is this, dear? All these fellows have no pain in the leg.
First, put your zip, please, sir.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Tell me, dear.
Can you do me a small favor, sir?
Tell me, what help?
Sir, whatever I'm going to ask you, please don't take it in a wrong way. I really need your help, sir. You're small in height, but you have got a very big heart.
That everybody knows. Tell me what you want to know.
I have already told Simon about my love towards him. Is there any way he can understand me?
See, we have a party tomorrow, and I'm going to give you something to drink. After you drink that, Simon is going to automatically know what is your love for him.
Is it true?
I swear on my loving nurse, Suji.
A very good evening to everybody. After 10 years of marriage only we got blessed with a daughter. But when she was born, her upper lips was actually merged with her cheeks. For this I had taken her to a number of hospitals but all in vain. Lastly, I came to Green Hospital. But even more than my expectations, they made my daughter into a goddess. And for that reason, I wished to do something good for the hospital. But since the dean refused, just for my satisfaction, I could throw a party like this for you guys. Me and my family will be perpetually grateful to Dr. Simon for returning our daughter back safely. God is the same for everyone. But as far as I am concerned, I have got two gods. One, the God that we have learned about, and the other ones are the people like you. I thank every one of you for coming here and making this a grand occasion. Thank you so much, Doctor.
It's okay, sir. It's all God's blessings.
Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah, okay, fine.
My Coke got empty. Anu, get me your Coke, please.
I'll get it for you.
Auntie, have you seen this girl in the photo?
No, I have never seen her.
What happened, sir?
My car got stuck here.
Why don't you sit inside and try starting? I'll help. Start the car. I'll try and push.
Okay. Brother, thank you so much. Here, you can take this.
I don't need it, sir.
Hey, it's okay, keep
No,
it.
thank you, sir.
Why are you saying like this?
Sir, have you ever seen the girl in this photo?
Brother, give me your phone number.
Sir, where's the inspector?
He's there.
Tell me, what seems to be your problem? I will help you.
My father.
What happened? Take your seat. Please
No,
sit down.
please sit down,
No, no,
It's
madam.
okay. Please sit down. First, relax yourself and have some water. Come on.
No, sir.
It's okay.
No, it's okay. My father.
What happened to your father?
Nothing happened to him, sir. My father threatened somebody.
Threatened?
Just because my father threatened him, that man chopped his own hands by himself. Please, sir. Please come there fast. My father. My father. He'll kill that man for sure.
Come, let's go.
What happened, sir?
Is she your daughter?
Yes, sir.
I heard you're threatening someone and harming also.
Sir, that's not true,
So
sir.
your daughter has given the complaint. That's the reason we have come here.
Sir, I am telling you, there is nothing like that.
Your father's telling nothing's happened.
Sir, I'll show you, sir. Please come with me now. Please come. Come, sir. Come. Sir, he was here. He was right here, sir. I saw him here. Over here. I saw him cut his hands from here, sir. From here, sir. I'm telling you, sir, everything happened over here. But now it looks like nothing's happened over here, sir. Sir, please believe me, sir.
Okay, relax yourself. We can go there and talk.
Sir,
Come.
please. Sir, please believe me, sir.
It's
please.
okay. We'll go downstairs.
Did you see something that is doubtful?
Nothing, sir. You take care of your daughter carefully.
Sir, please, sir. Sir, please don't leave me alone. Sir, I'm telling the truth, sir. Sir, he's not even my father.
What are you talking? You told the station that he's your father?
You said the same in the upstairs also.
Sir, she is my daughter, my only daughter. She is mentally unstable.
Sir, no, sir, I'm not bad, sir.
Sir, you're a doctor. I did not tell anything to you. Please take care of your daughter, sir.
Okay,
Come,
sir.
let's go.
Sir, please don't
Hey,
leave me, sir.
hey,
Sir,
what is
please,
this?
he'll kill me, sir, please. Sir, I'm scared, sir. Ah!
Priya!
Hey, how are you feeling?
I'm okay.
I believe you. Just tell me what exactly happened. If I show you the photo now, will you be able to identify it?
Yes, sir, I can.
Hello? Buddy? Please bring the laptop now.
Sir, I want to see her.
Please don't send him in. Send the other person alone.
You go inside.
Sir, I am her father. I have to.
Just wait here. Is this the person you had seen?
No,
What about this?
not him.
Mr. Stephen Roy,
Good morning, sir. Tell me, sir.
the murderer has struck the third time and uploaded it on the net. Have you seen that?
You go that side and search. Buddy, you go that side.
Sir, that girl was telling about him only, sir. Should we call her here and identify him?
Even if she comes, I don't think she'll identify the body, buddy.
What if actually she have seen that guy in that laptop video? How can we declare that she is lying, sir? If we bring her here, we'll know the truth actually.
All right, bring her here.
Okay, sir.
Come, Ria, don't get scared.
What? Is this the guy you are talking about? Look at him properly. Is it him?
I don't know, sir.
What, sir? Why is this girl talking like this? Please tell me the truth.
I'm telling the truth, sir. I don't know.
Actually, the truth lies inside you people and it's getting killed. Sir, what can we do now, sir?
She told us, please don't leave me alone in the house, her father will kill me, right? She was ready to identify the body when she was in the hospital. By the time you got the laptop, I think they spoke to her. And now she says she doesn't know who the guy is. I'm sure he would have told something to her. That's the reason she's hiding the truth. So, there is a connection between these two murders and Surya. Let's see.
Did you call for me, sir?
Yes. Can you identify this body?
Sir, actually, he's my friend Thomas.
There was a murder committed 10 days before. Do you know who he is?
He too was my friend, sir.
Are you guys partners?
Yeah, actually, we all pulled in money and started a garment business.
Within a gap of 10 days, somebody has murdered your friends. You should also be a little careful. If you're going out of station, please inform us.
Okay, sir.
You must have seen some people going from here. Do you know who are they?
I don't know, sir.
All right then. You can leave now. Buddy, someone has murdered both of his friends. I think he should be the next one. If we try and follow him, I'm sure we can find the real murderer.
Yeah. Bring him in. Quick.
Put him here.
Oh my God, I have no idea what has happened to him.
Fast. Move.
Doctor, please try your best to save his life, doctor. I think he's still alive, doctor. He's just like my brother, doctor. Please treat him, doctor.
Don't worry about anything. I'll take care of him.
Okay. Doctor.
I'm sorry. I tried my level best, but I
Why,
still
doctor?
couldn't save his life.
Oh my God.
If you would have brought him just half an hour back, I could have surely saved his life.
Hello. He met with an accident just 5 minutes back. Okay, just tell me one thing. Doctors are supposed to talk the same bloody way or what? You come out of the operation theatre, remove your specs, and then rub your eyes, and then give a sad face to everyone who's standing there, and then raise your hands above. How many days are you going to do that? How many days, man?
See, I've been giving the same dialogue for years together.
Oh, is it? Then we are leaving the dead body here itself. You take care. Come, let's go.
And then my fees?
What fees? If I give you one tight rap, you will reduce half a feet. Talk about fees, I'll cut you to pieces. Whom are you talking to? Do you know who I am? Do you know me, you fool? I'm a big shot here. If I just mention my name, everybody will be scared. It is those people who actually entrusted his life into my hands. Therefore, it is my responsibility to take care of him. Now I brought him alive here. And you are playing the fool with me, huh? I'll diminish you. Come, let's go.
Oh my God, it's a ghost. Save me.
Oh my God, you are alive, my dear bro. This donkey said you are dead. Thinking that you are dead, I also donated your eyes. Now that you are alive, you are actually get the respect that people have for me. You didn't let me lose my respect. Now I'm telling you one thing as a big shot of this place. In my huge political career, you are going to play my big trump card, my bro. Hey, come here, man. Come here. Hey, you also come, man. You guys know that he was alive and knowing that you wanted to steal his kidneys, right? Bloody fellows. We should not leave these guys. Come on, hit them. Back up, come on.
I'm really sorry, Daddy.
It's okay, dear.
Only after he came to the hospital and told me about you, I really understood what you did.
I had met him yesterday itself. I wanted both of you to meet only today. But you called the police before that itself. And that is why I had to ask him to come. You should forgive me for saying you are crazy.
Don't say like that, Daddy.
I wanted to surrender as soon as you said. But then, my job is not over yet. That is why I had to say like that.
Sir, I will try and help you in whichever way possible, sir.
Thank you so much.
How are you?
I'm fine now.
I came back from my hometown and went to hospital to visit, but they told me that you were discharged. That's why I came over here. What happened?
Ria, you go inside and take rest. You should take her.
Okay, sir.
Can you do me a help?
Tell me.
If something happens to me, you should look after Ria.
What's going on, Mr. Stephen Roy? This is the third murder in the same locality. Killer is doing his job and uploading it in the net. Not just the public, but the media is also going to talk bad about us. Is there any improvement?
Sir, first one was a schoolgirl by name Rita. Except for the postmortem report that she died during a rape, there is no other evidence available. 3 days later, a man was brutally murdered. His name was Mr. Peter. He was a big businessman. Peter, Thomas and Xavier. These three were doing garment business as partners, sir. 10 days after Peter's murder, Thomas was also murdered, sir. In connection with his family life and his friends, there is no black mark at all on them, sir. Yesterday, a girl ran to the station and told them that her father is trying to kill someone. But the moment she saw the dead body, she lied to us that she can't identify the body, sir. It's only after she said that I had a doubt on Mr. Thomas, sir. But I am not able to understand why the murderer is showing all these things in the internet, sir. So I suspect Dr. Simon, sir. If we can get the entire details of Dr. Simon, then we can arrest the murderer.
Okay, Mr. Stephen Roy. I think you're on the right track.
Sir, you were asking about Green Hospital number, right? Take this.
Hello?
Hello, tell me.
Is this Green Hospital?
Yes, tell
Yeah, this is Inspector Stephen Roy speaking.
Tell me, sir.
I would like to meet your dean.
Please come in, sir.
Hello, sir.
Hello, sir.
Please tell me what's the matter.
How long Dr. Simon has been working in this hospital?
He's working here for the last 6 months.
Do you have any details about his family, sir?
Hello?
Is that Crossroad Police Station?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'm Inspector Stephen Roy speaking.
Tell me, sir.
Sir, I need the complete details of plastic surgeon Dr. Simon, who's working in Prince Hospital in the Crossroad. He was working there 6 months back. I will wait for your information, sir.
Doctor! Doctor!
Who is this?
Don't you know me?
Doctor, you remember he came over here fully drunk? Now he is standing here normally. You couldn't recognize him.
Is he the same guy?
Doctor, my brother-in-law drinks 24 hours a day and we want him to stop his drinking habit. Can you do something for this, doctor?
You don't worry about that. Next time when he starts drinking, you ask your sister to put another glass in front of him. When he sees that, he'll think the whole family is drinking and he will stop drinking. You understand?
Thank you so much, doctor. Come here, let's go. Hey, brother.
Oh, it's you. Tell me.
Yeah, that day, what did you ask me to do to stop his drinking?
What did I say?
When he starts drinking, my sister has to place another glass next to that. Looking at that, actually my brother-in-law stopped drinking itself.
Very good. Oh, I should have done privately, right? So what happened?
Now you're asking what happened? Come here and see, doctor. Stop this nonsense first. Just come and see my sister first. She was such a decent lady. Now just see what you have turned her into. Just look at her now.
What is this? You brought me to see some possessed woman?
Hey, this is my sister, man. My sister was a very God-fearing woman. Now you have turned her into an alcoholic.
Oh my God.
Oh, this is that guy, is it?
I am not any guy. I am the doctor.
Okay, you're a doctor. I accept. What is supposed to give you return for
Give
it?
him a couple of kicks.
Doctor, you are the only one who can save my wife. Otherwise, I will commit suicide, doctor.
You don't worry. Same treatment.
What?
When he was drinking, your sister kept a glass next to him. Now when she is drinking, now you keep another glass next to her. The problem is going to turn towards you. Her issue will be actually cured.
A superb idea, doctor. That is amazing. To save my sister's life, I can do anything, doctor.
Hey, doctor. Are you giving him idea to spoil the happiness that having in my life? I will squeeze you like a bug under my feet, you bloody scoundrel.
Sister,
stop.
don't do anything. Doctor, don't do
Come here.
anything.
Come.
Hey, stop.
Don't do
Here
anything.
you go to spoil the happiness.
Hey,
Oh, come.
Hey, you control yourself. Hey, stop.
Hello? Yeah, tell me, buddy.
I checked Prince hospitals. Even Dr. Simon's neighbors told me. Apparently, Dr. Simon is settled with his family in America.
Okay, buddy. In case if I need any more details, I'll call you.
Okay, sir. All right. Okay, thank you. Sir,
Yeah, tell me, buddy.
I have all the details you have asked.
Sit down.
Sir, in December 10, 2010, a man actually kidnapped a girl and ran away. And the cops caught the guy, and this is the girl's address. This is totally a different case. One mother and her daughter committed suicide, and this is their address. And in another village, a father and his daughter were murdered over a property dispute, and this is their address. And next murder is on 5th January this year. A mother and daughter passed away due to gas cylinder burst.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, come, Mr. Keith.
Yeah, tell me, sir.
Sit down.
Thank you, sir.
There are 2 email ID in this, but we don't know the password. You'll have to open the ID.
Okay, sir. Peter, Thomas, and Rita. Only these 3 people were in the chatting room. Rita has been chatting with them for the past 3 months, sir. Rita had informed Peter that she will be coming to this hill station on 21st, sir. Since then, no mail was sent from this ID to anyone. Peter had forwarded the same mail to Thomas as well, sir.
Okay, Keith. Thank you.
Thank
any
you,
more
sir.
details required, I'll call you
Okay,
back.
sir.
Buddy, Rita sent a mail that she'll be on the location on 21st. And she was murdered on 24th. Something seems to be weird. Let's find out.
2 years back, a mother and daughter committed suicide. We have actually come here to inquire about that.
Mother-in-law and husband both had smuggling business. That girl got to know about this and she committed suicide.
Buddy, people are just hanging around. And we are running here for their inquiry. Madam, do you have any photos of theirs?
Yes, I have.
Please bring it, madam.
Please get it, madam. Sir, I've been asking for 2 days leave. You're not responding, sir.
What do I tell you, man?
Sir, my mother-in-law is not feeling well, sir.
What did you say?
Sir, please don't look at me like this. I don't want any leave.
Yes, sir, they were my relatives. They had come over here for a wedding. The gas burst in my house and they passed away.
If you have any photos, just give it.
We have, sir.
You were asking for leave, right?
I don't want that, sir.
me, man. Hey,
Stop
leave me.
that.
Hey,
Hey,
kabaddi,
control
kabaddi,
yourself.
kabaddi,
Come on.
kabaddi,
Hey.
kabaddi, kabaddi, kabaddi,
Hey,
kabaddi, kabaddi,
what is he doing, man?
kabaddi, 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 kabaddi,
Hey.
kabaddi, kabaddi, kabaddi,
Hey,
kabaddi,
stop.
kabaddi.
Hey, hold him.
Kabaddi, kabaddi, don't
Hey,
come
hold
close,
him.
don't come close.
Hold him,
Kabaddi,
hold
kabaddi,
him.
kabaddi, kabaddi. Hey,
Stop that.
Don't
Stop
catch
that,
me.
man.
Kabaddi, kabaddi,
Come on.
kabaddi, 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 don't catch, don't catch. Kabaddi, kabaddi, kabaddi. Hey, leave me. Hey, hey, kabaddi, kabaddi,
Hello,
kabaddi,
hold him, man.
Leave me.
What happened?
Kabaddi,
Oh,
kabaddi,
oh,
kabaddi,
oh my
kabaddi,
God.
kabaddi,
Oh
kabaddi,
my
kabaddi,
God.
kabaddi, 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 kabaddi,
Oh my
kabaddi,
God.
kabaddi, kabaddi, kabaddi,
Huh?
kabaddi, kabaddi, kabaddi,
Hey.
kabaddi, kabaddi.
Leave her.
Kabaddi, 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 kabaddi,
Hey.
kabaddi, 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 kabaddi.
Hello, hold him, man. What are you people standing and staring?
Nurse,
Kabaddi,
put this
kabaddi,
injection.
kabaddi, kabaddi, kabaddi,
Hurry up,
kabaddi,
hurry up.
kabaddi, kabaddi, kabaddi,
Come
kabaddi,
on.
kabaddi. Ah!
Looks like our injection has actually worked.
Kabaddi, kabaddi.
What happened, man?
You remember a movie released last month about Kabaddi? In that movie only, he was supposed to do that character actually. In the last minute, they changed the person. That's why when he hears a whistle sound, he goes like Kabaddi, Kabaddi,
Ah,
Kabaddi.
is it so?
Kabaddi,
Hey,
kabaddi,
what are you
kabaddi,
guys
kabaddi,
standing and
kabaddi,
staring,
kabaddi,
man?
kabaddi,
Just hold him.
Rider out.
What happened, sir? You seems to be confused. Nothing, man. The game that actually I played has come as a noose around my neck only. Now, 2 of my friends are eliminated. Next, I think it's my turn. And before he finishes me, I should finish him.
That's all, isn't it? You just show me the person. We will bury him alive and no one even notice that he's missing.
Yeah, all right.
Dad, the phone's ringing.
You only talk.
Hello?
Ria,
Ah?
you be careful at home. I'll come there.
Okay, Daddy. Take care, Dad.
I'll take care. You can go.
Stop your vehicle. Get me your license. Okay, you may go.
Hey!
Sir, Kishore's vehicle is coming.
Buddy, Dr. Simon's going. Come, let's go. Take the right. Buddy, you said that's it. I'll go this side.
Okay, sir.
Please, Simon, leave him. I will do the justice towards him. Your job is to save life, not take them. Please listen to what I'm saying. Doctor, please.
You know me as a doctor. You don't know me as a father. You don't know me.
Sophia? Samantha? Ria? Amanda?
Coffee.
Thank you.
Take it.
Hey, it'll be hot.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Ria. Happy birthday to you. Daddy. Happy birthday, Ria. Thank you. Thank you. Happy birthday, Priya.
Open it, open it.
Where's my gift? You didn't buy it?
1 second.
Mommy, just take that, no?
Which one? This one? Open it, Ria. Okay.
You wanted a laptop, right?
Is this for me, Daddy?
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Mommy. Look at this. Oh my God. Mommy.
Liked it?
Thank you, Daddy. Hi. What's your age? What's your name? What do you do? My name is Ria. I study in 10th standard. I read books. I listen to songs. I like gardening also.
Ria!
Okay. My dad's calling me. I'll talk to you tomorrow. What? You miss me? We just started chatting now. Wasn't that, huh? Oh, me too. Dosa. Why? Okay, bye. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Okay. Bye. For me? Why? Yes. But we are talking now, right? No chance. Same, dosa. My dad, mom, friends. I like them a lot. Okay, I have to study now. Bye. We'll talk tomorrow. 9876543210.
Oh my god. Ria, what are you doing? Drink this first.
No, mummy.
Have a look at the time. Drink this. From the time you got the laptop, this is all you do. First close this and sleep. Your father has literally spoiled you to the core. Sleep. You have to wake up early in the morning.
Good morning, miss.
Good morning, students. Sit down.
Thank you, miss.
Amy? Asha? Samantha? Ria? What's this? Last time you took 98 for 100 and this time you took just 30?
Sorry, miss. I'll try next time.
Okay.
Don't be naughty. What else?
Ria, what are you doing without sleeping now?
I'm talking to my friend, Daddy.
It's already midnight. Go to bed.
Okay, I have to cut the call now. Dad is here. I can't talk now. Hang up.
Ria, you forgot to drink your milk. Make sure you drink it before going to bed. Good night.
Hello? Yeah. Yeah, why? Why are you saying that? Yeah, we'll see.
I thought you must be sleeping. I came here to wake you. Who is it? Your friend?
Yeah, friend.
Okay, have a shower and come. It's time to go to school.
Yeah. Yeah, tell me. Of course, friend, husband, lover, everything. Next week, me and my mother will be coming over there to attend a wedding. I'll meet you and tell you, okay?
Ria!
Dad's calling me. I've go to school. I'm late now. I'll call you back. Okay? Bye.
Why are you people sitting here and chatting? Bride is sitting alone there. Come on, hurry up. Let's go. Hi, dear. Come. How are you, my sweetheart?
I'm doing really great. How are you?
How was your journey, dear?
Good.
I told you to come a week before a marriage.
Oh, sorry for being late. She's my daughter, Ria.
Oh, is this Ria? She's really grown up. Your husband didn't come?
No, he had an important operation to be done.
Oh,
That's why
okay.
he couldn't come for the wedding. Sorry.
Okay, you both go and take a bath and get ready, please. We'll send the car after we reach, okay?
Don't worry. You can leave. We'll reach there.
Okay, alright, let's go. Come on, let's go, come on. We'll leave now.
Ria, go and have a quick shower and then we'll leave, okay? Ria, come fast. We have to leave now.
Mama. My friend, he's waiting for me in the park,
Who
you
is
know.
that?
I'll go meet him and come back soon.
If you go now, when will you come back?
I'll come back soon, Mom. Please.
Okay. Come back fast, okay?
My wife and daughter didn't come back alive from the hill station tour. Only when I checked the laptop I gifted for my daughter.
Yeah, tell me. Yeah, I'm here only. I reached this morning. When can we meet? Okay. I'll be in the park in half an hour, okay?
Hey, it's me, Kishore. You couldn't recognize my voice, is it? Hey, what happened?
I don't believe you
What, you don't believe in me?
that you are Kishore.
Hey, I'm telling you I'm Kishore. You want it to be proved, is it not? When you're coming here with your mom, that same night, I asked you which color innerwear you're wearing. Do you remember that? Do you want me to tell you the color? Hey, Ria, don't cry. Just tell me what is the matter, please.
You cheated me.
You mean I'm aged, right? You only told me that there is no issue with an age. Don't cry, Ria, please. Ria, whatever you liked, even I like the same. That's why both of us liked each other. Okay, don't. I have lived my life, but you have a long way to go, and I don't want to spoil your life. Alright, come. We'll just talk over some coffee. Please, sweetheart. Henceforth, I'll never disturb you. In fact, you came here to see me only, right? Just have a cup of coffee with me.
What is this? You're late today also?
What to do, man? I have to fool my wife and come now.
That chair won't be enough for you. Sit here. Come.
Yeah, you're right. Only this can fit my bloody size.
So, shall we start now?
Oh, why not?
Oh, he has come back.
Not bad. You have already started and finished, huh? Hey,
Yeah.
do you have any clue how long you were there inside? Now I'll wait for some time and I'll finish with this girl. You guys leave. All right, then we leave. Let him
Okay,
finish his
okay.
job and come.
Okay, bye.
Hello?
Yeah, Kishore.
What happened, Peter?
Ria ran away.
What do you mean by ran away?
Will this girl reveal anything about us? Will it become a major issue?
You hang up, I'll see.
Bloody bastard!
I searched everywhere for those people. Then I checked if those bastards sent mail to my daughter's mail ID, but still I couldn't find them. Then while I was driving one day, I saw a girl met with an accident. She was also my daughter's age only. I need all these medicines. Not only did I save that girl's life, I did a plastic surgery on her face to make it look like my daughter's face. To give punishment to all those people, I had to commit a small mistake. Slowly open your eyes. Touch your face and see.
What happened? This is not my face. What happened to me? This is not my face.
While I was driving on the road, you had met with an accident. Your face was completely destroyed. As a doctor, I have tried my best to give you a new face. Why are you crying?
Nothing. I don't have anybody else other than Karthik. If I go to him in this face, how will he ever be able to identify me?
He might not know your face, but you definitely know him, right? Then don't worry. We both will together find him. But till then, you should stay as my daughter only if you believe me. We went to the same place and searched for them. She wanted to find his lover. I wanted to take revenge on my daughter's killers. one day one guy tried to talk to her thinking she is Ria. What happened?
I think I saw Karthik now.
Where did you see him?
Here only.
Okay, let's go and see. Sure. When I traced that phone number, I found that he is the guy who tried to talk to my daughter. Then I found him and I murdered him. Before killing him, I got to know all the details about the other two killers of my daughter. Then I killed the second person also. Tell me now, sir. Should I let him live? Tell me, what are you going to do with him? You will produce him in the court. What punishment will he get? Even if he goes to jail, he will get a really good AC room there. That is not a punishment. If he has cut one hand, to punish him you should cut both his hands. That is the real punishment. People like him should definitely get punished to death, sir.
Stop it, sir! Why don't you stop talking? He's not the one who murdered your daughter. It was you.
What are you blabbering?
I'm not blabbering. I'm telling the truth. Why does a student need a cell phone? So that she can stay awake whole night and send messages to her boyfriend? Or so that she can talk to her lover? When you ask them, they say it's friendship. What kind of a stupid friendship is that, sir? Have you ever asked her, sir? Or did you ignore everything? It's not only your daughter, sir. There are a lot of daughters in this world like that. But I'm not categorizing all women are bad. If your kids are talking during untime in the phone, you have all rights to ask them. Or can't you pick up the phone and just check the messages?
So, you are asking me to doubt my own daughter?
I'm not telling it is doubt, sir. It's affection. You can scold them up to a certain age. After that, you have to watch them. Parents who think that college-going children should not have arrears, they are not bothered to check about the attendance. Yes, students do require laptop, but why should they sit in a separate room and study? They can sit in the hall and study. Do you know that children are studying or watching sex movies or chatting themselves? And what is the end result? Discord, pub, drinking, smoking. And getting one step further, making themselves busy with their boyfriends in the name of dating. And people call it as modern culture now. It's you people have sent your kids in the wrong path. And when criminals like these are born, how killing is justified, sir? I'm not saying that he's an ideal man. If you had controlled your daughter, you would not have reached a situation like this today.
What are you doing without sleeping? It's already midnight. You should go to bed. Ria, at this time of the night, who are you talking to?
I'm talking to my friend, Daddy.
What you said is right. I should have asked questions, or I should have scolded her. I didn't do any of this. If I die, all the parents should learn from my death. His death should be a lesson to all the bastards like him.